Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is February 17, 2022. Let's take a look at the market and look at top ETFs by volume and look at the beaten down stocks with a positive sales growth and gross margin. These are the good stocks you can buy now. Take advantage of stocks on sale. So with that, let's jump in. Look from a market perspective, we got Dow Jones Industrial Average. It's a up and down market. On the top I got 6 months chart here. Look, market is coming down, up nicely. So that's why it's a really very turbulent market here. Very good for traders. You could do very well in this type of market. And then we got same scenario in S&P 500. Look, coming down, going up nicely, coming down. Right now it's trying to bounce off of 200-day moving average. At this time it's just below 200-day moving average. Same story with Nasdaq. Look, it's down, going up, trading sideways, and then going down big time. Now it's again trying to retouch the low again. That's what's going on here. And same story, Russell is again weak, as you can see here. In a 6 month chart, you can see here it's all over the map, down big time, and now it's trying to stabilize, as you can see here. And on a longer term trajectory is intact here. We got nice bull market going on here. So take advantage of these drops here. Don't be afraid. Keep buying, when they're dropping big time. I've been buying, stocks, ETFs like QQQ, and even the technology XLK and XLY and even XLV for that matter. These are good ETFs you can buy here, including SMH, which is semiconductor ETF. Look, S&P 500, great bull market here on a 5-year basis. This is a 5-year weekly chart, and same story with Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also a very good bull market, very good buying opportunity now. Russell is a little weaker, as you can see here, but still it's good to buy slowly. And it's again intact, bull market is intact here. Good time to slowly buy. So with that, let's jump in here and look at the top ETFs by volume. Look, on the top, you got volatility ETF UVXY. Trading volume is very high today. It's the highest, as you can see here, 102 million ETFs traded here. Stocks ETF shot up because volatility is increasing. Look, it's done nicely in 1 day, 5 day, even 3 months for that matter. But on a long-term basis, it's not a good holding. So if you want to buy some UVXY when the volatility is low, you could do that. Right now, look, volatility is 76. This is not a good time to buy UVXY. But when the volatility comes down, you could buy some UVXY. It's a good hedge. And then you got S&P 500, mother of all ETFs here, doing great with nice 8.9% below 52-week high here. You could buy some SPY in this down market. I've been doing the same thing. I've been buying some SPY, even TQQQ, which is a 3x bull ETF here. It's a good one to buy when the market tanks big time like it did today. And we got even SQQQ is not a good one to buy now. This is a short, as you can see here. It's a bearish ETF. Right now, it's not a good time to buy. But when the market goes higher, you could buy some SQQQ. Again, it's a very short term. I don't recommend this for long term investors. And then got SOXS and VXS. Look, VXX is again up nicely. Volatility is high right now. That's what is going on here. When the volatility increases, S&P 500 is dropping. That's what is going on here. QQQ, big time down, as you can see here. It's great time to keep nibbling QQQ. That's what I've been doing. It's good to buy some QQQ in this huge big downturn, as you can see here. And QQQ is squarely in a bear territory, down more than 15% from 52-week high. And then you got a few more here. You could take a look at these and buy them slowly. I like even IWM here. It's a great ETF to slowly start buying here, completely in bearish territory, as you can see here. And I also like SMH, which is not in this list here. SMH, which is a semiconductor ETF, a great one to buy at these levels here. So with that, let's jump in and look at top stocks which are beaten down. And these stocks have got positive free cash flow and positive net margin, positive sales growth, and volume more than 1 million shares traded, very liquid, and overall score is more than 50. That tells you these are the quality companies when it comes to profitability, finance, and growth. So these are the top stocks you can buy. Take advantage of this huge big drop off here. It's a good one to keep nibbling these great names. So with that, let's jump in here. Look, top of the list, we got Massimo. Massimo is a medical device play. They bought another company. That's why stock came down. Wall Street is afraid these guys are going into consumer electronics. But look, stock has bounced nicely here. At these levels, I'm a buyer. Massimo is a great stock, as you can see here, 19% net margin. And they got about $652 million of cash here, free cash flow positive here. And next year, they got nice growth estimates. So even Altman Z score is great. Piotrowski F score is 6. That tells you books are very solid. And overall score is 77. So I say go buy some Massimo here. It's a great stock. Don't worry, it's dropped off so much here. RSI is 19, which is completely low here. I say go some Massimo. It's a great stock to have it for long term. And then you got Shopify. Look, Shopify is a great stock here. At these levels, it's a good buy here. Think about Shopify right now, like Amazon.com, maybe 10 years ago. Look, RSI is very low here. Just 33 tells you stock is sold off. Nice sales growth, as you can see here, 44% sales growth in 1 year. Nice gross margin. Company is making money. Look at the net margin there, 81%. And this company is also working with the JD.com in China to leverage Shopify customer base and technology. I think it's a very good combination here. And as you look through here, this company has got a nice $7.5 billion cash. You don't need to worry about company going out of bankruptcy here. Look, they got nice positive cash flow, very healthy, and they also have nice revenue growth and EPS growth for next year. And solid companies, solid financials. I like it. Overall growth is also great. So I say buy some Shopify, take advantage of this big drop off here. Buy slowly, keep nibbling one or two, and slowly keep adding the position here. And then you got a few more. Look, TX stock got clobbered, as you can see here. What happened is, look, even analysts are lowering their expectation here. That's why it's negative here. At this time, it's a good one here. Look at the positive net margin here. Company is making money. Stock got sold off. I think it's a good one to buy. Long-term story is intact. 1 year and 5 year positive performance here. And then you got a few more. I will not talk through each of them, but I love InMode. InMode is a good one to slowly start buying. This company has been dropping off, as you can see here, but overall nice score, 89, and net margin positive. Look at the net margin here. I think this is also a good one to slowly start accumulating and go from there. And we got a few more here. I would say even PayPal, for that matter. At these levels, you can slowly start accumulating, and these guys will do very well when they announce next quarter. I think companies trying to focus on the existing customer base and improve the interaction versus going after new customer base. That spooked the Wall Street. That's why stock came down. And I got a few more, as you can see here. I love INTU. That's a great stock. You could buy INTU anytime, and it's a good one to buy. Maker of TurboTax software, as many of you know. And I got a few more. I love Facebook or Meta at these levels. It's good to slowly start buying Meta. It's a good one. Completely sold off, as you can see here. And even Workday is a good company. You could buy Workday here. Look, net margin is just 1% positive. These guys can do very well as you go forward. And I love Akamai. It's a good one here. You could buy some Akamai also. Look, Akamai has got nice 18% net margin. Great overall score here. And we'll look at a few more companies and go from there. Look, it's a continuation, and we got a few more companies here. And keep watching. We got Dick's Sporting Goods completely sold off here. RSI 44. The problem with Dick's is they got a little bit lower liquidity level here. I like a quick ratio more than 1. That tells you they got enough money to manage short-term cash problems if there is any. but Dix has got a little more lower reserve in their balance sheet for short-term liquidity. That's why I would probably pass. But if you're a long-term holder, this company will do well. Right now it's sold off, as you can see here. And then you got a few more, as you can see here. I love CRM, Salesforce.com. It's a great company to buy at this level. Completely sold off. It's a good one here. And even Agilent Technologies is a good one here. Life sciences company, completely sold off. RSI 38. You could buy some Agilent Technology and go from there. Dynatrace is the other good one here. Stock is completely sold off here. It's a good stock to buy slowly and accumulate. Look, net margin positive 9%. And we got a few more. I love Callaway Golf also. It's a good one. 11% net margin. You could buy this one also. And we got a few more here. ServiceNow is a good one. You could buy ServiceNow at these levels here. Completely sold off. It's not quite sold off, as you can see here. RSI is 54. That tells you stock is kind of holding up here pretty nicely. And I got a few more. Look, I love Cadence Design. It's a great design company. And look at the net margin, 23%. Nice overall score. You could buy some Cadence Design here. Completely sold off with the RSI 42 here. And we got a few more. We got RSG. RSG is a good one here. These guys are also a good one. You could buy some RSG at this level. Stock is sold off. Look at the RSI. Completely sold off here. It's a good one to buy here. And we got a few more. Look, we got completely sold off stock here. Thermo Fisher, one of my favorite in the life sciences area. Nice overall score. You could buy some Thermo Fisher here, and that will do very well. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.